How to upload landscape videos on Instagram Reels. To upload landscape videos, horizontal videos on Instagram Reels, you can follow these simple steps. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Since Instagram Reels are designed for vertical videos 9:16 aspect ratio, landscape videos 16:9 will be displayed with black bars or cropped. So simply tap on the plus icon available there at the bottom to upload the landscape videos. If you want to upload a video without it being cropped, then you will need to resize it to fit the vertical format, but you can still upload the landscape video. Now once you tap on the video, the landscape, in order to post it on an Instagram reel, now all you have to do is simply follow the on-screen instructions to post the video. Instagram will automatically crop your landscape video if it is not resized, so make sure it looks good in the vertical format before uploading. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.